Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Umar Riaz from Universiti Pakistan, and the topic of this research paper is environmental and financial benefits of 360 kilowatt photovoltaic solar system on grid in University of Putra. The two authors of this paper are Khalid Mahmood Anwar. He is currently working as the director in the Directorate of Quality Assurance, and second author myself, Umar Riaz. At the start, I am going to briefly explain the basic theme of this research paper. As you all know, in this 21st century, the utilization and the application of renewable energy resources are the need of the hour. Currently in Pakistan, the cost of electricity per unit is very high, and it has a huge effect on financial matters. In this study, we have analyzed the 360 kilowatt photovoltaic solar system on grid installed at University of Wa, its effects on the financial aspects and environment change before and after its installation and operation. University of Wa opted for the photovoltaic solar system because it is environmentally friendly with zero carbon emission and requires very less maintenance. All the data and statistics are shared in detail in the section below. Now I am going to briefly explain the introduction and the location where it is located. This university was located at 30 kilometers to the northwest of Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. The coordinates of this university are mentioned here in terms of latitude and longitude. According to these data, nature has blessed Pakistan with substantial sunshine hour for the whole year. The output of photovoltaic solar panel varies during the day and when the season changes. Keeping in mind all these details, so the overall electricity generation via 360 kilowatt photovoltaic solar net metered on grid system fulfills the total electricity university load demand, and excessive electricity is dispatched to the main grid free of cost as a community support purpose. Now I am going to briefly explain this installed system detail. The University of Award decided to install 360 kilowatt photovoltaic solar system on grid, and the type of solar panels used by the university for the, this system is polycrystalline due to its suitability to the climate condition and with the reasonable price range. All the photovoltaic solar panels are placed at the rooftop of the university building, and the optimal solar angle at which these panels are placed are around 30 degrees. And the total cost for this complete system was around rupees 37 million at that time. So if you see in this bullet, it is data from 2020. The total energy produced by this system is equal to 363270 kilowatt hour, and the total energy consumed in 2020 is equal to 327058. So the ratio of photovoltaic solar energy produced to consume is equal to 1.11. So now you can see in this table, and the amount of electricity being paid in 2015 with the unit price rupees 25, that is around 0.25 US dollar, is 59,000 US dollar, and it is estimated that in 2020 with the increase in the peak load demand, that is around 78,000 US dollar, the unit price of rupees 45, that is approximately zero point 0.4 US dollar in 2020. Now you can see in this graphical representation, the red color shows the consumption and the blue color shows the production. That data is from the 2020 with a monthly wise data production and consumption. At the end, in the conclusion session, the total cost of the 360 kilowatt photovoltaic solar system was rupees 37 million. Approximately 70% of the total cost of 360 photovoltaic solar system is being paid back. In near future, around 2023, it is estimated the overall cost of this system will be paid back. It also indicates that this system supports university in financial terms by saving millions of rupees per year in terms of electricity bills. Another benefit of this system is that University of Wa utilizing photovoltaic solar renewable, environmentally friendly energy with zero carbon emissions. That supports our motto, Green Energy University, and the excess of this electricity is dispatched to the main grid free of cost for community support purpose. That is all. Thank you very much.